What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Before final assembly video, Rocco SBB double decker. Took me a while to figure out everything, but that looks like I did. So here I go. I will open it and show you exactly how's everything looking inside. But the model before ESU start making those bars with decoder. So here I go. That's the length of that LED bar with decoder. And what I did in previous video, I cut a couple of sections, and yesterday I cut the first layer of first floor in 3 sections. Yeah, it took me some time, but it's still less expensive and less complexity, because if I put that bar, and I did, it's too bright for everything. Then I need another bar that doubling the price. Then capacitor, supercapacitor, for the bottom, for the first deck. Second deck is the second story. So then if I need to reprogram something, that will be really painful. Anyway, so here I go. Let's open it. Backward engineering. So it's already connected, and I tested. Looks like okay. I believe I'll finish it and I'll take the video from layout. Again, if it's only one car, it looks like maybe not enough lights, but when you have like 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, then on some of my personal models, I'm going to remodel all those lights. Some of them came from manufacturer if you watch my display. So here we go. Let's do it. This is a supercapacitor here from ESU. Okay, has double-sided tape already, so it's going between that floor and the second story deck, and this is pickups. A little bit issues with no, I should say big issue with the contact. So they use that weight as a contact. It's no go. So I solder wires straight from one contact to another contact. So that's problem solved. I just need to put couplers, and let's get it open. Here we go. Small locks, no biggie, should be. I don't want to pull the second floor for the second layer, but should be good. Right. And of course, before I took it apart, it looks like everything identical means, but it's just different areas for the bathroom and entrance. Okay, see that vents and no windows, that's the bathroom here. Okay, let's put it like that. So what you see here, I did small hole here for those wires, and that's what I did separate that 3 LEDs, which is original, because it's not distributing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows, and actually it's very nice lights here on this floor, actually here. Yeah. So now, because capacitor is going here, right? So it will be covered in the thickness enough room. And let's pull this layer up. Kapton tape, and that's my connection to the There you go. If whatever reason that needs to be open, it can be done. And again, if you see here, that's all wires not covering window, door, and that's all LEDs here. Okay, that's the decoder here, and two wires, gray wires, going to the connect supercapacitor. I'm using my favorite micro crystal clear right here to secure the wires. This guy. Okay, so absolutely, it's acrylic. It's not gonna mess your plastic. If I need to pull it up, that's no problem. But I'm gluing the board, means that ESU board, LED board, with this. Well, that's serious stuff. And then just in case, I'm putting like two on every single board. I'm putting like securing with the extra. See, it's still, some of them already transparent. Yeah, usually it's just like white. Then when it's dry out, it turns to completely transparent. Here I go. That was a challenge. I'm going to put it together. See you soon in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.